We will explore room number 11210 on MSC Euribia cruise. Starting from here, this is how the room looks like. This is a balcony suite room, and here are all the controls for the air condition. I'm turning it to max. These are switches for TND and make up my room. You have to insert your card in here, and then there are some switches. The first thing that comes upon the entrance is the washroom. There are already towels hung up here. A basin, the toilet, and the shower area. Overall, this bathroom size is decent. Just this shower area seems to be spacious than the other cruise that we have been. There are some hooks in here, and starting over here, they have given us complimentary tea and coffee, the kettle, the glasses, and then there's this ice cube holder. There's some storage, mirrors, there's an intercom in here. You can use this to connect to other rooms as well as the room service. There's a comparatively big enough TV in here. There's this two-seater sofa, and in some rooms it turns into a bed. Like we have one more room, we'll show you that as well, where it turns into a single bed. Then we have a wardrobe in here that has a locker, some hangers. I'm sure this is going to be useful for us in this journey because this is a 7-night journey here in this cruise. There's this beautiful photo frame. There are some channels that we can watch on television along with some cruise cameras, and the bed is comfy. It's big enough for 2 people. There are reading lights as well, and a full-sized mirror. Going forward, we have the most exciting part about the cabin is the balcony. The balcony is big enough for 2 people to sit and relax. There's this lock, and there's one more, and this is the balcony. Big enough for 2 people to relax comfortably and look at the view from the balcony. Right now we are in Abu Dhabi, and we can see the skyline of Abu Dhabi and a bridge over there. There's some interesting architecture over there. Not sure what that is. If you know what that is, let me know in comments. So overall, this room looks pretty good. This way. Subscribe to our channel to see more updates about the MSC Euribia, what kind of food they provide, what are the restaurants, what are the activities, how many pools are there, how you can book. And the most interesting part is I'll show you how to book the best room on MSC Euribia. You can use the same method to book the best room on any of the cruises, because I've figured out a way using the actual blueprint of the cruise, which not like which 90% of the travel agents even don't know about this. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you in the next videos how to book the best room on the cruise at the best rates. I booked this cruise at almost 15% lower price than what the travel agents would give you. See you then.